Myntri Rangbah jylla Conrad K Sangma hagasing Thohdieng Buh mawnongrim bantaya ka Organic Spice Industrial Unit jong ka Eastern Bhoi Organic Farmer Producer Company Limited Bhoirymbong kaba mang pisa kumba klur tingka ban kyrshan nongrep. Yakani gajing Buh mawnongrim na sakhido ba daman bait lamare MLA ka umroi hagajiran lang UE Baranwal Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi Jakpal Singh Dhanau Superintendent of Police ka Bhoi ki officer nakatanat ka rep karyang bat QA. Habakran hakatiga sngi Conrad ulayat hu baga sarkar jylla kala phaikmat bhasha ki nongrep bakra thau ya ki bun kilat kilinti menyerap ki nongrep bakin kraw ka kamai ka kaji ulang baga sarkar kala phaikmat bharu shakajing pun khaya bun tli ki food processing unit hakeleng ki chaka jong jylla ki ben aishi bun ki jing mentoy ki pai nongrep
is very lucky and very unique because this is the area through which the transit is taking place for all the connectivity to the rest of northeast also and towards the rest of the country. Also the airport is right here next door to you, and hence from the logistical and connectivity point of view, Bhoirymbong and Umroi constituency is very important for the future of export.
Abakran halor kajingdon ka unit Bhoirymbong Myntri Rangbah ulaong baka umroi Bhoirymbong kan sakala long ka weni ki kat khayi ka ba he bha hapok ka jylla namar gari ka than ka blapinya so ya baro ka jylla ka than chite lamingi bat kumju ru bat kari India nalor kajingdon jang ka kat lingsun bat kiwe
Meghalaya, and hence you will see that in the long run this place and this area will become a very important hub for products to be brought in, stored, so that we can then transport it to the rest of the country and to the rest of the world. So while you are working towards expanding your agriculture base and the different activities, please keep this in mind that in the coming years, your constituency, this area, will play a very important role as the key logistical hub for transport and export of products, not just for Bhoi, but for the state of Meghalaya as a whole.